Hello students, welcome to the next class on fractions. This would be session 8 on fractions, right? Now, after doing the operations, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication, division of fractions, now what is to simplify the given expression where there are more than one operation. That means you may have to add or subtract, maybe multiply the two fractions all together. So in which order it should be done, that will be covering up today in this video, right? Now, till now you have already done this D mass. We have done it. If you remember, in integers we have done simplification of integers, and we use this. This is the abbreviated form of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, D mass. Now, we'll add up one more operation and we'll add BO, where O here stands for of. Of is multiplication and this is also multiplication, but of stands for multiplication only, but we do not interchange this. First of, then divide and then multiplication. Order remains fixed, right? And B is for brackets. B is for bracket. So the bracket order is same. First we always simplify the smallest bracket, which is parenthesis, then the braces, and then the square bracket. Right, children? So BOD-MAS. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, addition and subtraction. So BOD-MAS. This would be the order. I'll just take some examples of. Like 3 by 5 of 1 rupee, right? Of 1 rupee. Of 1 rupee. So I have to multiply by 1. Now 1 rupee, we can easily convert. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So I'll multiply 3 by 5 by 100. So 1 rupee I have converted it to 3 by 5 by 100. 5 goes 2 times 20. So 3 into 20, 60 paisa. So 3 by 5 of 1 rupee is nothing but 60 paisa. Right? Another thing, another example. 4 by 6 of and 4 by 2 by 3 of an hour. I have to find 2 by 3 of an hour. So 2 by 3, now 1 hour will change. 1 hour, an hour is having 60 minutes. So 2 by 3 into 60. This is reducible, children, right? Can you see? Reducible. 3, 2 times 6 and then a 0. Now we have to multiply. Multiplication, we just multiply numerator with numerator. So it is 40 minutes. So 2 by 3 of an hour is 40 minutes. So like this, of wherever it is, we have to multiply the factors. So today we'll be doing questions of exercise, the next exercise, which is exercise 4F. Exercise 4F, children, of page number 78. Page 78, right? Again, in this exercise also, children, whichever question I am doing on the board, that you should write in your register, classroom register, and otherwise even parts, right, children? So in the previous exercise also I said best is that you do all the questions, but if there is a lot of homework and you are having less time, because now I am doing more videos so that we can finish this chapter quickly, so you can do even parts also, even questions rather, even questions. So in exercise 4E, I am writing the assignment here itself. Exercise 4E, even questions. And if any question has multiple subparts and even subparts, wherever I say even questions, even parts, so it applies this. If a question has 10 subparts, then do only the even subparts, otherwise even questions, right? Like in this question, question number 1 also, you will do even subparts, and then even questions after that. That doesn't mean you will leave first question, right children? So we'll do some simplification questions. I'll select 4 questions and I'll try to do it today. Children, you have to be very careful. Systematically it has to be done. Remember this. I'll be rubbing it off because, or I'll write at the top because I need space for the bucket. Okay? So, when we are doing simplification, one thumb rule is do not do more than one operation in one step. You will be seeing that we do step by step odd mass. And bracket order I am writing again simple, parenthesis, then braces and then square of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So I'll take a question. There are from 2 to 15 questions in the exercise. So I'll take up 5th question. So maybe 8th question, 12th and 14th. 4 questions I'll take. 5th, 8th, 12th, 14th. So I'll take a start from the 5th question. Right, so what does it say? It is 3 whole 2 by. Very carefully copy the question in your exam also, in your classwork also. You make any error anywhere, children, you lose marks. See, if you copy wrong question in the examination, then also you lose marks. See, maybe your working is correct, but you get maximum half of the marks of the question if you have copied question wrong, although you did everything correctly. Because you are supposed to be careful while doing your work. You have to learn to be careful. So there should be no hurry. If you are doing it, copy the question carefully, right? So it is 3 whole 2 by 3 minus 3 by 11 of 2 whole 3 by 4 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4 into 1 whole 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Right? This is the question. Now let's continue. For steps, always make this simple. Simplification step. First step is to convert all the mixed fractions into improper fraction carefully. 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. Do copy the denominator correctly. Minus 3 by 11 of. Do not change of to multiplication. It does imply you have to multiply, but do not change it to multiplication. You know why? Because first you will multiply these and not these two. Right? So do not change it to multiplication, remember. Now 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 divided by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 into 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So in my first step I have just converted mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now no brackets there, so this is first bracket is not there, so we don't have to do that. Of. Of means multiplication of these two. Right? Now if it is reducible, we'll reduce it. 11 is reduced by 11. You remember in integers, negative multiplied by positive, no sign here means it is all positive, you will be having minus 3 by 4. Divided, division sign, do not multiply, there is no hurry, do not multiply these two, the next two, please, okay? Only one operation, of. Now what? Division, so we will be dividing these two. So for division, multiply by 4 by 5. Copy the remaining as such. Now if you wish, you can do all these three together. Now no problem. Because you have already taken reciprocal, put multiplication symbol, you can multiply these three. In this case, you can do that. So I'll reduce the ones which can be cancelled. 4 cancels with 4, 5 cancels with 5, 3 cancels with 3. Only those which are multiplied. So it's not 0. What is left? 1. 1 everywhere. So it is 11 by 3. Do not think it is 0. 1 is there. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 remains. Plus 1 by 3. Now very important, I'll put very important symbol. Arrange the fractions according to sign. Positive fractions together and then the negative fraction. This arrangement at this step is very important. Otherwise, you may make sign errors in your hurry. Right? So I'll arrange it. Positive and then the negative. See, ideally we should add the positives and then the negative. But now we can take LCM throughout, no problem. When there is addition subtraction. So 11 plus 3. Now 1 goes 3 times, so multiply numerator by 3. What do you get? What do you get, children? Add the positives. 14 minus 3 by 3. You get 11 by 3, and in mixed fraction 3 whole 2 by 3 is your answer. But whenever you do, there should be no hurry, because any step you make, any mistake, your entire working goes wrong. So this is simplification. I'll take another question. As I said, I have taken 5th question. Now I have marked 8th question. Question number 8. Question number 8. And the question is, now we have brackets, right? So 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 9 plus of 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole into 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. First, always recheck whether the question is copied correctly or not. That's, as I said, you should always do it. In your hurry, if you make any error, maybe division, maybe you copy minus, maybe 3 or 13, sometimes 5 or 15, like that. So always check it. So I'm checking it. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 1 whole 2 by 3 into 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Check correct. Now let's go. So it is parenthesis. So addition of fractions only like fractions. Don't start adding numerator, please. What you have to do? Take LCM. 9. So 3 goes how many times? 3 times. So multiply numerator by 3, and 9 goes 1 time. Multiply numerator by 1. Okay. This is mixed fraction. I'll convert it to mixed fraction. 5 by 3 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Alright. So in the bracket, what do I get? 6 plus 4 by 9. Rest all I'll copy as such only. Don't make any changes anywhere till brackets are simplified. So it is 10 by 9 of 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 3 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so now of, if it is reducible, I'll reduce here because I have to multiply, but I'll not change the symbol. 3 and 2, 5 times 2. So what is remaining now? 5 by 3 into 2, 6 divided by 5 by 3 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. All done. Now the division. So multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. 3 by 5. As I said in my previous question, once you have taken reciprocal and if there is any multiplication side by side, you can do all the three together. So I am cancelling a 5 with 5 1, a 3 and 2. So what you are left with now? 5 in the numerator and 2 into 4, 8 in the denominator minus 1 by 3. Now subtraction, addition is not there, so directly subtraction. Take LCM, 24. So 8 3 times, so numerator is multiplied by 3. 3 goes 8 times, so numerator is multiplied by 8. You get 15 minus 8 by 24. 15 minus 8 is 7 by 20. Right, children? So this is how you do the simplification question. I'm sure things are clear to you. So let's these questions which I'm doing, you will do in your notebook. Now let's move on to, as I said, I'll take question number 12 and 14 also. I'll tell you the places where children make error. One is where children copy the questions. See, when we check the notebooks, examination scripts and all, it really pains me when the child knows everything but is losing marks for not copying the question correctly. So, well, you do not get 0, but you do lose your precious marks. So, copying the question correctly. Then, second error is when you are turning the page, like you have done part of the question and you have to turn the page and do it there. Then while copying the steps on the previous page, then children make mistake. So I would advise you to attempt these questions on a new page or wherever it is sufficient space is there to do this, because you can see so many steps are usually there, normally there, so that you can do all the steps side by side. So I'll take another question now. I'm taking question number 12. And the question is 3 whole 7 by 8 minus, now you see the brackets are the braces, 1 whole 3 by 8 divided by parenthesis 2 whole 4 by 5 minus 1 whole 7 by 10. So we'll start by brackets, and in brackets also we'll follow the order. But first and foremost, convert all mixed fractions to improper fraction. 8 3 times is 24 plus 7, 31 by 8. 11 by 8. 10, 14 by 5. 17 by 10. Now which bracket? Parenthesis, right children? So I'll take LCM of these two, which you can see is 10. 5 goes 2 times, so multiply numerator by 2. 10 goes once, so multiply numerator by 1. Remaining, I am just copying carefully, like do not miss the sign minus. Be very careful when you copy. Okay. So 28 minus 17 by 10. Well, we'll continue. 11 by 8 divided by, it would be 11. See, 11 by 10. Now I am opening the bracket. So now we are left with the second bracket, which is braces. Now they are dividing. So for division we don't have to change to like decimal, like fractions. So we don't have to take the LCM, right children? So I'll be multiplying by what? Reciprocal. Reciprocal. So whatever is reducible, I'll reduce it. To 4 times and to 5 times, right? So we continue. So it is 31 by 8 minus, what is left? 5 by 4, so I just write 5 by 4. Now since it is subtraction, again LCM 8, 8 goes 1 times, so 31 into 1, 4 goes 2 times, so 5 into 2. Well, 31 minus 10 by 8, which is 21 by 10. It is improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 10 2 times is 20, so 2 times. Subtract 1 to the remainder. 2 whole 1 by 10. Well, always revise your work. Maybe I have made some mistake. So let's check. 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. 8 plus 3, 11. 10, 14, 10, 17. Then here the LCM is 10. So 14 2 times, 17, 28. 28 minus 17, 11. Rest I have copied correctly. Then we multiply. I think we have done it correctly. Right children? So no difficulty till here now. Right? So you need one more question or you will be able to manage? I think you will be able to manage. So we have done the questions. So your homework is clear. You will be doing the question number 1 even parts, and after that question number 2 to 14 even questions would be your assignment. So do your work and practice whenever you get time. Practice the remaining questions also. It is must because simplification you are doing for the first time, and I tell you children, there's nothing as you do not know, but you tend to make careless errors, and careless word doesn't apply in maths. It is that you have not sufficiently practiced, that is why you were making errors. So I have told you the places where you can make errors: in copying the question, in your hurry you may start doing addition and subtraction side by side, or maybe off and multiplication side by side. Do not do that. Do not skip steps. More steps, less errors. Okay? So keep that, all these things in mind. Do the work, and as I said, now since the whole numbers test is there, very soon I've already uploaded the solution for whole numbers, and I'll be taking test on integers. So prepare for the integers test, which will be uploaded very soon, right? So prepare for integers. Again, review the videos. It gives you a good revision of the chapter. So take care children, keep doing your work regularly, and continue to learn at home. Take care. God bless you. Bye children.